to my channel. Today I am wanting to do a different type of video because I'm just testing out videos here. You know, let me know if you like these types of videos or let me know if you don't like them. Just give me some creative criticism here. As you can see, I am messing with my makeup today as well. I was kind of inspired with the way it's feeling outside. It's like super nice. It's like 70 something degrees. And I don't know, it just feels like spring already to me. And I really wanted to try out this pink makeup look that I've seen on Pinterest, and I just kind of want to recreate it with like drugstore items. But I wanted to make a video on what's in my vanity. And I'm not the person that has the most makeup in the world because I like to keep it as minimal as possible. I don't want to have too much stuff and then forget that I have something and let it go to waste. But I figured I'd show you guys my vanity and just show you what I've got. I do have some new products that I'm going to be trying out in another video, and I'm also might do a video on this makeup look. I don't know. So anyway, let's go to my vanity. Alright, so this is the vanity here, and it's from Ikea. I will have it linked down below, or I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure it's still being sold at Ikea because it's like the classic one, I guess, that I've seen people have. And yeah, I'm not really sure what the name of it is, but it is from Ikea. And I'm just gonna start off here. So in this drawer I have all like my little camera stuff, just a bunch of random things, and my headphones. But yeah, it's not really interesting. It's a picture of my husband and I also have these really nice room sprays here. These are concentrated room sprays from Bath and Body Works, if it's focusing. This one's called Bow Ties and Bourbon, and again, it's from Bath and Body Works, and it's super nice. It's like really strong smelling. And I also have another one, and the other one's called, and I really love these. So if you're looking for some room sprays that are kind of strong, then I recommend those. And let's see, right here I have just a cute little thing I got from the flea market, and I don't know, I thought it was just really nice, and I just kind of put in my nicer jewelry in there. That's just what I have so far. I don't want to get it too crowded in there. And then I just have some necklaces just hanging off of it. But yeah, really like that. And then Sam got me this, actually. I'm not really sure where he got it from, but it's actually a Tiffany box, and it's really pretty. So, and then in there, just have a bunch of random jewelry as well. And I'm not gonna go through each item, but yeah, I really like this little box. It's super pretty. And then I have this huge candle here that I've been starting to burn, and it's fresh cut gardenia or whatever, and it's from DW Homes, and it smells so good. And then I have my MacBook, which is usually on here, and I use this kind of as a desk as well. And I'm just gonna open my drawer. Let me move this chair. So this is what's in my vanity at the moment. I keep all of my makeup here, all my makeup brushes. Everything is in here, and I try to make sure if it doesn't fit, then I get rid of it, you know. I still have some room, as you can see. There's some empty space underneath here, so I mean, I can definitely fill it up more, but I am good for now. I definitely don't want too much junking up my drawer. And I'm not gonna lie, I did just clean this today, so it doesn't always look like this. So I'm gonna start on this side here. I have a cute little mirror. This is from the dollar store. It's really useful. And then I have some products here. I'm not going to go through each product, but here you go. This is new. There's some primer masks here that are new that I'm going to be trying out. And like back here, there's a sharpener. Something that I'm trying out, but I'm not really enjoying this too much. So I kind of stick it back here. And then I have some lip colors. I'm not really into lip products that much, but I do have those, and these are from my Ipsy bag. Well, not this one. I only kept this one from my Ipsy bag in a gloss, which is in my purse actually. And I have some eyeshadows. Usually keep my eyeshadows here, and then I have that Carly Bible palette that you guys have seen. This is a new product here that I'm trying out. It's actually on my eyes today, so then you might see that in a video. And yeah, there's the highlighter, eyeshadows, and just kind of things that I don't really use too often, like every day. And then I have all of my makeup brushes, and these are the BH Cosmetics makeup brushes. This is a Luxie one, so that's why it's a different color. And then these are two e.l.f. brushes that I just really still enjoy, so I keep them. And a really dirty beauty blender that I need to clean because that's just in my makeup, so that's gross. And then this was in an Ipsy bag as well as another brush here. I'm not really sure what that's from. And then back here I have some new products that I'm trying out. This is a lip liner, and I showed all this in my vlog, just showing you guys what I got from Walgreens, but this is the color I have on my lips. Just trying it out. I am going to do a video like I said. This is a brow pencil from Maybelline. Seems promising. And then this really cool mascara here. Again, I've showed all that in my other vlog. And let's see, on this side I have more of the, like, my whole face kind of makeup products that, you know, I just like to keep it on one side so it's easy to reach. And, you know, I'm not like looking through every item in my drawer, but I have a new cream back here that I'm going to try out. This is new as well. It's a primer. I have this foundation, and this is a dewy one. This is like one of my favorite foundations. I do like the matte one as well, but the dewy one's pretty nice, and it's a Fit Me foundation. Got some cream here, some bronzer, some Fit Me blush here, and some powder that is kind of broken, but I still use it because I like it. Some more loose powder, some concealers here, mascaras. I love these two so far, and so I'm hoping that this one's going to be a really nice addition to my collection. Some lip balm, some more blush here, my eyebrow powder that's about to go soon because it's almost out, which is why I bought another one here. But that is what's in my vanity, and I don't think I have anything else. Oh yeah, oh, this is like I use this for my eyebrows and sometimes for like facial hair whenever I want to just razor it off. Got that from Marshall's. I got my tweezer back there. Let's see, I think that's it. Yeah, and this just had like my nail stuff, so like nail clippers and stuff like that. A look into my vanity. Really have been enjoying this vanity. It's great. It's affordable if you're looking for something affordable. It's kind of wobbly, but it's not too wobbly where it's like annoying, you know, but it does a job if you want a nice vanity, and it's affordable. It's from Ikea. You can order it online as well, I'm pretty sure. Again, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can see it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.